Welcome back to MustacheMoto. It's Ben, and today I've got my 5 favorite non-motorcycle motorcycle accessories. All right, I do love motorcycle accessories, but there's a lot of stuff I use on and with my motorcycle that are not specifically for motorcycles. So here's some of my absolute favorites. So first off, let's talk about these little aluminum guides. They're tensioners for paracord, so you can use them when you're camping. Just to show you real quick how they're intended to be used. Put that through there, you loop it, and then let's see, I do that right. That snugs it up. Okay, so it holds your line, and then you can shorten it, tighten it. But the really cool thing that I discovered, I needed some extra tie-down points for some soft luggage on my DR650. These are absolutely perfect to mount on the bike. Bolt goes right through here, and you've got a fantastic mounting point. And they look pretty cool. You can also get them in black, but I think the red's kind of hot. All right, next up, I love heated gear. And, you know, if I'm going on a long, cold ride, I do have an electric winter vest that plugs right into the bike. But for shorter rides, or if I'm getting on and off, or if it's going to only get cold like late at night, this heated fleece is pretty awesome. So it costs about $100 on Amazon. It's got 2 different zones, and each zone has 2 different settings. I don't know if you can see the colors change. It's got a really big battery. And the thing I like about this is it's a 12-volt battery. It just charges with USB, but it's a 12-volt battery. And I think I can make a cord pretty easily that'll actually run from the fleece to the bike, and I could run it off the bike if I wanted to. But having the battery is really great because if you get off, if you're camping or something and you need a little warmth at night, it's fantastic. Or if you're getting on and off the bike a lot, you don't have to worry about plugging and unplugging. So it's a pretty low bar for getting into some heated gear. The downside, it's a little big. So definitely order a size smaller than you normally would. The battery's big and chunky, which is great that it holds a big charge, but it's a little heavy. And then the only other thing would be that you can't adjust it really while you're riding if you're zipped up in a jacket. So you'd have to adjust it when you're stopped. Not a huge deal, but really, really convenient, especially good for about $100. Next up is this turtle fur. It's like basically just a loop of thick polar fleece, and you pull this over your head and use it like a neck gaiter. And it does a hugely great job of keeping you warm. It keeps all the drafts from going down your jacket and also going up into your helmet, and keeps you substantially warmer. So for $20 or whatever this costs, really, really good addition to your bike. All right, next, you've seen this one before, I've talked about it, and that is my bicycle water bottle holder. It's a Zeffel water bottle holder. It straps on, it comes with the straps, it fits perfectly on crash bars and holds your drink right there. I use a Camelback insulated bottle, and being able to have water right there, easily accessible while you're riding, especially when it's hot and you're getting dehydrated, huge help, really convenient. And I also love putting a sweet tea in it after lunch, so get a little caffeine as I'm riding, keeps me going. Like $10 for that thing. Great, great addition to the motorcycle. Finally, these cricket bat grips. These are grips that go on over the top of your regular grips. They're actually 4 cricket bats. They come in a long tube. It's a long section. Each one is long enough to do 2 grips, both sides. And I'll post a little video up here. I did a little short on how to install them, super easy, with a produce bag. So I think $10 for 3 of them, something like that. They are really, really grippy. If your grips are starting to wear out and lose that tactile, that tackiness, these will make a huge difference. It'll also protect your grips if you have heated grips that are starting to wear down and you're in danger of actually getting worn out. All right, my 5 favorite non-motorcycle motorcycle accessories. Hope some of them work for you. I'll link them below, and be sure to subscribe if you like these videos. Get out there and ride.